everyone. Today I'm explaining about the LangGraph plugin, which is a powerful tool which enables you to integrate the power of AI agents built using the LangGraph framework directly into your automation environment, letting you automate complex multi-step tasks with intelligent and adaptable workflows. So to create the job definition, we have to click here and then we have to select the task template and we have to select the LangGraph plugin. Then we have to give it a name and we have to select a workstation. Then we can move on to the connection fields and we have to test the connection. Then we can move on to the action fields and we have to fill in all the mandatory fields. So we have to give a container image and we can also give it a Kubernetes secret. Then we have to fill in the prompt field. We can also give a start token and then end token. Then we can save the job definition and we can find it here and then we can run it. Then we move to the orchestration monitor and here it is, our job definition which is running. Now it is successful, so we can select it, click here, and then click here to visualize the task log. As we can see, we have all the information that we gave to LangGraph, and we also have here the result with our tokens, and here we have the output properties. Thank you for your attention.